Cristo Rey. Naku, iba't iba po ang ibig sabihin ng Kristong Hari, Christ the King. Kasi depende po sa ating gospels na ginagamit. But you know, if you use the Gospel of Luke, which is this year, Christ the King is on the cross. He has a crown, yes, but it is a crown of thorns. People, by the way, they were shouting, King of the Jews, King of the Jews. But it was because of taunting, insulting. Ang ganong sigaw ay hindi sa kasikatan, kundi sa pag-iinsulto po ng anak ng Diyos. Yun po si Kristong Hari. Bakit? Ano ibig sabihin ba ng paghahari? Una sa lahat po, kay Jesucristo, anak ng Diyos, anak ng Ama, pinapaghari niya. He allowed the Father to reign, to rule over, to lord over. Kanyang tinanggap na ang makapangyarihan sa buhay niya, ang namamahala ay ang bathala. And therefore, ang paghahari niya ay pamamaraan ng pagsabit, pamamaraan ng paglalagay ng kanyang sarili sa kamay ng kanyang Ama, sa bisig ng Diyos. Come what may, basta't ang importante, Father, your kingdom come. Di ba? Yan ang paghahari, kingdom come eh. So in our usual prayer of the Our Father, Jesus prayed that, Father, into your hands, I commit my spirit. So dun pa lang sa ating gospel for this coming year C taken from the Gospel of Luke, it is a very strange paghahari. It's a very strange kingship or lordship because it's not Him, but it's the Father. It is not you or me. It is the Father's will. Kalooban, kaharian ng Diyos. Pero kailangan natin na yung kalooban ng Diyos ang kanyang paghahari, payagan natin maghari sa buhay natin. Payagan natin na siya ang mamuno, siya ang maging kadahilanan, reference ng ating isip, gawa, salita at lahat. So pag sinabi mong God reigns, it means godly thoughts, godly feelings, godly emotions, kagaya ng sa Diyos. And with that, naghahari ang Diyos. So Christ the King is just telling us, siya na anak ng Diyos, naging tao, pinapaghari niya ang Ama. So when He ascended into heaven, sabi ng Ama, dito ka sa kanan ko, seated at the right hand of the Father, and our creed will say, and He will come to judge the living and the dead. Ano pamantayan ng judgment niya? Isipin niyo po sa Gospel of Matthew, I was hungry, you fed me. I was thirsty, you gave me drink. So when God really rules your life, it makes you act with compassion, with love, allowing God to take over your thoughts, your heart, your actions, your deeds, your decisions, your desires. May Christ reign in us.